Alright, so we put the headliner in tonight, and this is a lot of work. This took the both of us. We soaked this 1/8 inch Luan. We soaked that stuff, and it was more pliable, I guess. So we sent it through the spars out the back, and then pushed it up against the spars, and then ran PL. We used the 8 times strength stuff for this. We didn't get it quite high enough up here though, so we ended up, it was a little tighter on that spar, but this spar below the window, I don't know why, we kept pushing on that thing and it just would not snug up. So we left that. We're just gonna backfill it with even more glue after, and that should be okay. We'll have to route out all our holes later and run some wires. Alright, so I had to hand saw these holes out. I couldn't get a bit close enough here, and then sanded them out and made sure my boxes, my electrical boxes and stuff fit. So that's what we're doing here. I'll just stuff all the wires in to the other side. The other side's going to have my sort of electrical box where everything sort of joins up. There we go, put that guy in. That one in. And now I just screw those in from the other side with these. You can see I didn't drill from this side at all, so I screwed up this wood pretty good when the Forstner bit finally went through. So I'll just do this. Take our negative and connect them. And our positives. Now we just gotta put this electrical box in, screw it in, and I'll put a GFCI outlet in there and tear that box off it. Cover this whole thing up, and we'll have a little electrical box there. Alright, so you can see we ended up cutting up a bunch of insulation and stuffing that into some of the gaps between the spars. We've run some of our wiring. This here is the wiring for our little reading lights. We used just little stickers, those little kind of duotang repair stickers, just to mark where our spars were, so when we were pushing the headliner in, that's how we knew where to brad nail to sort of solidify things. So there's the little electrical box. We'll put faceplates on these when we're done, and put a topper on that, and everything should be contained in there quite nicely. And we haven't finished. Got cabinetry to make and all sorts of other stuff, so it's starting to look kind of nice. Some outlets here, and our cooler came in, so we've got to figure out what we're doing down here. Probably going to put some slides in on one side, have it slide out, and then a divider that'll strengthen this board up, and make this into storage on the left most likely. And yeah, just getting the router ready so we can route the holes out of the top. But I've also got to make some little trim pieces for the window because these round corners are not in there, so we've got to make them up and put those in here, so when we run the router around and route holes through this, the roof layer and the aluminum eventually, that we've got the right size and shape of hole. So that's a big to-do list, but we got a long weekend coming up, so yay.